Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you new way to earn candy faster in Dress and Press game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Dress and Press has just updated new method to earn candy fast guys, and I'm going to show you. If you want to earn more candies, you just need to go to the salon, and here you will see this button, collect 15 candy, and you just need to tap on that like this, and you will unlock 15 candies. And as you can see, and you can go back in 30 minutes to claim free candy. Okay, that's so simple. We just need to go to the salon and we'll be able to claim candy for free. And it will help us to buy something using candy. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!